people near. Chinese roots began to grow so clear. Cultures mixed and love was spun. Now Peranakan lives as one. Oh, Phuket Ole, a southern star. From old seaports to the fame we are. With temples, towns, and sunsets far, Phuket shines just like a guitar. Oh, Phuket Ole, a paradise, more than beaches and ocean spice. With Hokkien noodles, Thai tea and lights, Phuket soul feels warm and bright. Whoa. Dance with the sea breeze. Ole, Phuket forever. Ole, history, heart, and coastal glow. Phuket's the dream we want to know.